Hello YouTube, Dutch Bushcraft here on this very warm summer day here in Holland. I want to do a quick video about neck knives. For instance, I carry this one around the house a lot. It's like a little, I use it more like a box opener, that kind of knife. I made myself a leather sheath for it because the sheath that came in was really crap. It's a brand called Magnum, a division of Boker. The steel is 440 it says, so probably 440A. And as you can see by the sheet, it had a trailing point. I didn't have much use for this trailing point, so I made it a drop point myself. And on here is a retention screw that doesn't work. So this one for the intended carry will never work. But I also do not like to wear my neck knives tip up. I believe in gravity, so I rather have it wear it tip down, like I do in this homemade leather pouch. See, it's very easy to take out and to put back in. The fact that there's not much retention doesn't really matter now. Of course, you can have a sheath with really good retention, and there's also a neck knife made for a tip up carry. This is straight, but I think this is a bit heavy for neck carry already. So I carry this usually in the cargo pocket or just in the bag. And it's the same with this one, the Enzo Necker. It's a lightweight knife. The retention in the sheath could be a little better. But again, I don't like this tip up carry. This is not enough retention for me. And when it's underneath your clothes, and of course it's also a bit hiding that you're carrying a knife, it's very hard to grab and especially to put back. This feels, even without taking off my clothes, much more natural to me. So, a nice little knife, but I don't carry it as a neck knife. I carry this again in my pocket, even in my front pocket if I don't want to take a folder. Talking about folders, I also have a folder as neck knife I use frequently, and that's this Ford Peasant. You can use it with one hand and put it back. That's a bit more difficult than taking it out. Well, again, a leather pouch I made myself, added a whistle. This is what I often carry for kitchen use in the field. During my last trip to Colombia, Diego gave me a knife he made himself, and this is very lightweight. It's about the size of a Mora or a Hulta Force. Very lightweight knife. Really like it, and because it's lightweight and it has the tip down carry, I do use this one. This is a Ahti. I probably won't pronounce that right. It's a Finnish handmade little knife. They come in handy, and again, because it's small, it's lightweight, but it has this full size handle. I have medium to large, no, well, large to extra large hands actually. So a bigger handle is good for me. Of course, you all know the Hulta Force. They are lightweight and easy to carry as a neck knife. Here I have a Mora neck knife, a small one. Problem with this is that the sheath, it's an older one, and these sheets were really crap. So you cannot actually carry this one. There's no retention whatsoever, and no, Best way to carry this is to make a new sheet actually. It does fit this sheet. So that's my view on neck knives. I don't like the tip up carry because gravity works against you. Then I like lightweight knives, if possible a full size handle and the tip down carry, so gravity works in my favor. But they do come in handy as the little knives. As I said, this is more my box cutter. Okay, my view on neck knives. Thanks for watching.